Well, this is it. It's 10 o'clock, 10 a.m. I've had a jolly good bivvy. It's been raining quite a bit in the night and this morning, but now we've got a lovely day. An absolute cracking bivvy. I did my Haggis loops and tatties, which I thought was actually going to be a disaster because I almost burned it, almost burned out my pressure cooker. My gravy powder, and I thought, oh, this is going to be really horrible, but actually I mashed up the Swede and potato all together, put loads of milk and butter in and salt and pepper, and then the haggis, which I'd already pre-cooked in the pressure cooker, I squeezed that into the mash and let it all out the saucepan. It was absolutely delicious. I don't know whether to go down there. I think it could be really wet. I'm just going to have a little look. Right, well, it doesn't look too bad, so let's give it a go. I think the water's dropped quite a bit, but there might be more further down, which it looks like it is. Ooh, might be able to. Yeah. Ooh, could be a bit deep here. Looks like a bit of a river rather than a bridleway. Looks a bit more serious, doesn't it? Gosh, that's really deep, isn't it? Ooh. Right, it's not getting any better. Could give my bike a good clean though, doing this, couldn't it? And the shingle's a bit soft, and then you have to stop pedalling and get a wet foot. So far my feet are staying dry, which is quite a surprise. Looks a bit deeper here, not running so fast, so this could be a problem. Let's have a look. No, not too bad. My goodness. Shingle's getting harder to cycle in. Up. That big root coming across the path and tipped me off. I'll have to push. Oh, don't know. Can't really push. It's too wet and muddy. A bit more serious here. Oh yeah, Looks like this could be the bottom of the on sand now. Oh, this is going to be a bit deep. Oh no. Can I keep going? It's mud. No. Oh, I'm in silt at the bottom here that's been washed down, so it's just impossible to cycle through it. Had a notification this morning from the Environment Agency. I'm on their floodline alert, and it's potential of flooding where I live, and it said take immediate action, which is the highest notification that I've had from them over the winter. I'm hoping it's going to be okay, but we have got a bank that they... Oh, it looks a bit more serious, doesn't it? They put in about 30 years ago, so... Gosh, that's really deep, isn't it? Ooh.